The University of Plymouth, which serves around 30,000 students, recently upgraded its 4,800 desktop PCs to ones with Intel's vPro technology for improved greater power management that would greatly cut power consumption to support the university's wider green agenda. Greg Regan, Principal Computing Officer at the University of Plymouth, explains how the vPro technology will save £274,000 in power costs and reduce CO2 emissions by more than 1.3 million kilograms.
The University of Plymouth is one of the largest UK universities. We have approximately 30,000 equivalent full-time students, and the university is totally committed to reducing its carbon footprint. For instance, since 2004, the university has reduced its carbon footprint by 21% and has switched to electricity, which is 100% generated by renewable resource. The university runs a managed leased fleet, and over the last 18 months we've refreshed that, and we have approximately 4,800 Intel vPro technology-based PCs in the new fleet. Part of our brief was to reduce carbon emissions and power consumption. By implementing the Intel vPro technology, we immediately recognised a 40% power saving due to the dual-core processors, but we can benefit further by using the active management technology built into the vPro to enable us to implement a power management policy to produce further savings. The policy enables us to power down PCs when they're not in use, and the AMT enables us to bring the PCs back up, patch them for security, deploy application sets, and put them back into a power down state, and thus save an extra 25% of our electricity usage. Our ROI study has suggested that we would actually save in excess of £270,000 over a 4-year period. The university is looking to deploy two other features of vPro. The first one is a serial over LAN. That enables us to remotely access a BIOS, which thus saves a visit to a machine and is a cost saver. The second feature is the IDE redirect. That will enable us to deploy non-Microsoft operating systems and also enable our administrators to use standard remote diagnostic tools. The students will benefit directly by having a better environment to work in, because it will be less noisy because the machines will be power managed, and our environmental systems such as the air conditioning will be able to better deal with the temperature output of the machines, energy output of the machines. The saving of £270,000 by the power management would potentially allow the university to reinvest the money to help benefit the students, and of course the power savings will enable the university to support its green agenda.